if this whole equation right here for all values of x and a plus b is equal to 8, what are the two possibilities for c? So we're looking for this c value right here, essentially. Okay, well, if a plus b is equal to 8, if you notice right here, we have ax and bx. Well, if you multiply these two things together, you should get that 15x squared part. So essentially, ax times bx should be equal to 15x squared. Okay, and if you simplified this left side here, it'd be ab x squared is equal to 15x squared. So long story short, a times b should be equal to 15. Okay, because this should equal this. Well, it does say that a plus b is equal to 8. So a plus b is equal to 8. And if you wanted to, you could substitute through this, or you can just think, what are two numbers that add to get 8 and multiply to get 15? And the answers would be 3 and 5. Okay, a could be 3, b could be 5. Or you could also have a be 5 and b be 3. Okay, so because it could be either of them, because multiplication and addition don't have an order, that's why there's two possible answers for a through d. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put in 3 and 5 for a and b for the first one, and then I'm going to switch them up. So I'm going to put it in for the first one as 3 for a, 5 for b plus 7. Okay, and then from here I'm going to distribute this out. Okay, so I'm going to take this whole thing and multiply it by 5x. So you're going to get 5x times 3x plus 2. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing with the 7 over here. So you're going to have plus 7 times 3x plus 2. Okay. You can simplify this out and you end up with 15x squared plus 10x plus 21x plus 14. So if you notice, everything matches here, except now you actually can figure out what c is. Okay, so this ends up being 15x squared plus 31x plus 14. So if you notice now, that c is equal to 31 right here. Okay, now if you look at the possible answers, the only one that has 31 is D. Okay, which is the actual answer. But you also have to flip-flop the a and the b because doesn't say which one is which. So if you flip-flop the whole thing and you did 5x plus 2 and 3x plus 7, I'm just going to do this really quick. You get 3x times 5x plus 2 plus 7 times 5x plus 2. Again, I just distributed. Then you're going to be left with 15x squared plus 6x plus 35x plus 14. So if you notice, it matches. It's matches similarly to this one right here. Only that middle term basically is different. So you're going to end up with 15x squared plus 41x plus 14. So that C would be 41. So we have 31 and 41, which is the correct answer for D for this problem.